guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all well. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this simple pH balancing vaginal wash. All you need is some baking soda or bicarb soda, whatever you call it, and some tea tree oil. I've gone ahead and sterilized this container. If you want to know how I did it, I'll link it in the description box below. I shared a video on this just last week. So I've just popped a funnel in there, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda or bicarb soda. Baking soda is amazing for neutralizing any odors that may be present, and it's also amazing for rebalancing the pH of the vagina. A lot of the time, around the time of the month or after the time of the month, things might not be perfect in that area, so using this can help bring things back to normal again. So basically I'm going to add just boiled hot water, and I'm also going to add some cold water, so the wash will be at a warm temperature. I prefer to make this right before use. You're better off making it right before use. It's so simple to make. There's no need for you to make it and leave it sitting there, otherwise it's going to be cold by the time you're ready to use it, and also you risk contamination. So you're better off just making it right before you're ready to use it. I put in this bottle just to show you what it looks like, but you can make it in a bowl or in a bucket, whatever it is. You can even put it into a bath and then sit in it and just allow it to soothe the area, especially if you have any itchiness or anything like that going. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties, so it helps to kill any unwanted bacteria within the area. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Just give it a good shake and you're ready to use it. If you guys have tried using this in like sitz baths and different things like that, let me know in the comment section below. If you have other recipes that have worked perfectly for you as well, let me know in the comment section below. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. You can further support me by going on my website at www.LusciousSkin&Hair.com and subscribing to my mailing list just down the bottom of the page, or you can shop on my website as well. You can also follow me on Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair. I do giveaways on there every now and again, and I update you guys about my uploads on YouTube as well through there. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care guys. Bye.